I use NeoVim as my primary text editor and sometimes use Z on my Debian 12 GNOME system. And I like keeping my hands on the keyboard most of the time, as it's easier to reach the caps lock key than escape key. I have done the same on laptop too, because I don't like using touchpad that much. Many people also map JK or some other key for escape key, but I like caps lock for that. For me, it's a little less used key on my keyboard. Also, I wanted caps lock as escape key system-wide, so these suggestions are personal. This method doesn't swap these keys, but makes the caps lock an additional escape, and Shift plus caps lock makes it a regular caps lock. I am just sharing them for other beginners of NeoVim and Linux like me. Do this only if you want it system-wide.